Number 1. 1975 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,000, well-preserved 2WD long bed that has remained in the same family since the day it rolled off the lot, with 120,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 354V V8 engine mated to a rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission and a sturdy 12-bolt rear end, it offers smooth and reliable performance, making it an excellent classic driver. The exterior is finished in blue, perfectly matched with a clean and well-maintained blue interior that retains its original style, enhanced by classic wood grain paneling. All the glass is in excellent condition, and the cabin shows minimal signs of wear, reflecting decades of careful ownership. Like new tires contribute to a comfortable and confident ride, while the long bed is protected by a durable bed liner, ensuring it remains both practical and presentable. Running on gasoline, this truck combines originality with usability and comes with a good, clean Washington title in hand, ready for its next chapter. Number 2. 1989 Dodge D150, price $8,500, well-preserved Southern truck that has clearly been cherished by its owner. Powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers both reliability and classic late 80s driving character. With only 22,000 original miles, this 2WD pickup stands as a rare example of a low-mileage Dodge from this era. The exterior is finished in a crisp white paint that pairs beautifully with the clean blue interior, giving it a timeless and authentic look. Having been garage-kept during the winter months, the truck's body and interior have remained in excellent condition over the years. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a custom exhaust for a more distinctive tone, while the original catalytic converter is included and safely stored in the garage for those who prefer a stock setup. Number 3. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, 155,000 miles on the odometer, hails from California and stands out with its rare and sought-after Highlander plaid seats. Sporting a matching brown exterior and interior, it is paired with an automatic transmission and powered by the reliable 350 V8 engine. This example is exceptionally well equipped from the factory, featuring disc brakes, air conditioning, and a host of other options, all documented on the original dash stickers. The truck runs and drives beautifully, offering the smooth performance and classic charm these models are known for. Well-preserved and highly optioned, this C10 is a true classic that must be seen in person to fully appreciate its quality and originality. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1977 Dodge W200, price $9,700. It has 165,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a black interior, this classic truck runs on gasoline and has been upgraded with a 4.8 LLS engine paired to a 4L60E transmission and a Dana 300 transfer case. It delivers strong performance with smooth driving manners, making it both powerful and enjoyable on the road. The body is solid overall, showing it has been well cared for over the years. The only minor quirk is a non-functioning fuel gauge, though this doesn't affect drivability. Adding a touch of character, it is also equipped with a super loud PA system, making it as attention-grabbing as it is capable. Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. It has approximately 180,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L TBI 350 Goodwrench crate motor. The truck features a 3-inch exhaust system with a Flowmaster muffler, delivering both strong performance and a deep exhaust note. It runs and drives exceptionally well, and additional body panels, including rocker panels, cab corners, and bedside panels, are included with the sale. While there is a mileage discrepancy noted on the title, this is considered a low-mileage example for its age. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet R10, price $6,500, with 98,000 miles on the odometer, is a well-kept classic pickup that blends originality with tasteful upgrades. Originally built with a 4.3L engine, it has been upgraded to a 350 V8 paired with a performance cam, giving it a stronger and more engaging driving character. This rear-wheel drive truck comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Its exterior is finished in an eye-catching red, while the interior features a clean black leather bench seat that adds to its classic appeal. Despite the dashboard showing noticeable cracks from age, mechanically, the truck starts easily and runs smoothly, though the carburetor would benefit from a thorough cleaning to optimize performance. The power steering system still needs to be hooked up, but otherwise, it remains a straightforward project for an enthusiast.
Number 7.
1994 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,950. The truck comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a distinctive green exterior, presented in a regular cab style with an 8-foot bed that offers ample space for hauling and work-related needs. This two-wheel drive truck has a clean accident history, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 5.9L engine that delivers strong performance and smooth operation, making it both capable and enjoyable to drive. With its combination of durability, functionality, and classic Dodge styling, this Ram 2500 stands out as a reliable choice for both work and everyday use.
Number 8.
1978 Ford F-150, price $5,500. The pickup is reported to be in very good running condition, showing 104,000 miles on the odometer. It has only very light rust on the body and no rust or damage to the frame, making it a solid candidate for continued use or restoration. The truck holds a salvage title, not as the result of a collision, but because it was issued after the vehicle was recovered from theft a few years ago. Despite this, it remains mechanically sound and dependable, offering plenty of life left on the road for someone willing to maintain and care for it. With its classic styling and durable build, it stands as a strong example of late 70s Ford craftsmanship.
Number 9.
1983 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,500, powered by a strong 454 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This gasoline-powered truck has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and still runs and drives as it should. Originally built with factory air conditioning, the system is currently not operational, but the truck remains comfortable and functional for everyday driving or work use. Recent maintenance has been carried out, including the replacement of the BrakeMaster cylinder, front calipers, and brake lines, ensuring improved stopping power. Inside, a new dash pad and seat covers have been installed, giving the cabin a refreshed look while preserving its classic style. As expected from a 42-year-old vehicle, some rust can be found in the floorboards and inner rockers.
Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,900. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and has traveled 259,000 miles. Under the hood, it houses a 5.7L V8 350 engine that has been fully rebuilt from the bottom to the top end, delivering outstanding performance. The motor runs exceptionally well, as evident in the accompanying video, and the transmission has also been rebuilt, offering one of the smoothest shifting experiences for a truck of its year. This truck is fitted with a Holley Performance carburetor and a Street Warrior intake manifold, complemented by an adjustable aftermarket fuel pressure regulator. Recent upgrades include new spark plug wires, distributor cap, distributor rotor, fuel pump, fuel filter, alternator, a C-bypass pulley, starter, water pump, thermostat, and serpentine belt.
The frame is completely free of rust, highlighting its well-maintained condition.